The San Mateo County Emergency Management says the peak for the high winds began around 8 o'clock tonight, and they're going to last through tomorrow morning. The National Weather Service says possible water spouts or short-lived tornadoes can even spring up right off the coast, where the wind is expected to have gusts of more than 60 miles per hour. Ground Force Jack Molmud joining us live tonight in Pacifica. He's got the very latest on the conditions out there. Jack, how you doing?
Yeah, Dan, you said those winds could reach up to 60 miles an hour. This feels like it's like 100 miles an hour. I know it feels more intense than it actually is, but just with us standing here, the Pacifica Pier, which I'm standing to my right, you can see, has absolutely just cleared out. People just not being able to handle this storm. We talked to a lot of folks who have been fishing throughout the day, many of them thinking that they could brace the elements, but as you can see, if photojournalist Rudy Garcia can zoom in on that telephone pole up there, you could just see the wind absolutely just pushing that telephone pole, and the wind, the San Mateo County of Emergency Management tells me, will only continue to pick up. You've heard about it all week. A powerful storm slamming the Bay Area just in time for Christmas, bringing heavy rain and strong winds.
Don't be surprised if we don't have power tomorrow.
The San Mateo County Office of Emergency Management Assistant Director Ryan Reynolds says the high wind is the main event Tuesday night,
which creates a whole new set of problems outside of the normal rainfall and flooding that may occur. We may have down trees, we may have down power lines.
What worries you the most about this?
The whole storm.
And in Pacifica, not only did we see some early pooling on the streets and wet conditions on the roads,
pretty good size too, yeah.
People were defying the elements.
You don't pick a day, you don't pick a time. If you want to go out, they're over there, you know.
Lito from South City says catching fish in this weather is not for the lighthearted.
If they don't know what they're doing, if they're not familiar with this kind of weather right now, I would suggest that no.
But at the Pacifica Pier, where conditions slowly were picking up.
About to catch some crabs, hopefully.
Beginner fishermen are still trying their luck.
Some people might think this is kind of crazy.
I know. When we first pulled up, we seen a lot of people, so I was like, well, if it's crazy, we're gonna find out right now.
Yeah, I haven't seen the coast in like a few months, so I'm excited to be out here.
For context, these interviews were done before the worst of the storm.
Be safe and happy holidays. Don't be risking stuff just to go somewhere.
The county of San Mateo says this isn't a storm to test.
Be prepared to last on your own for 72 hours. And we're not saying that could happen from the storm, but make sure that you have backup batteries to charge your devices. Make sure you have some extra water, some extra food, because this is a significant storm and it is definitely going to impact our entire region.
We've seen this garbage can here just absolutely just blow out of the way. Take a look at that. This wind is absolutely just devastating. Now, believe it or not, Dan, the County of Emergency Management of San Mateo County told me waves should not be an issue. Obviously, don't go surfing or swimming during this time. The waves are absolutely horrendous, but we're not going to see that kind of storm surge from those waves. It's really just all about that wind, as you can see right there behind me. Dan?
All right, Jack, stay safe out there. Man, that is powerful stuff.